So this is a great moisturiser from Paula's Choice called the Barrier Repair Moisturiser, and it's for dry to normal skin. Paula divides all her products into skin textures, and so you know exactly where you are with them. It's a very lightweight cream, but it is hydrating and it is barrier boosting more than you think from the texture of it. So what it's got in here is squalane and ceramides. Those will obviously help with the barrier. It's also got retinol for helping strengthen the skin from within. And you might be cautious of retinol if you're building a skin barrier, but unless your skin is very sensitive, it should be absolutely fine with this. It's a nighttime product because of the retinol, though the brand does say you can use it during the day as well, as long as you use sunscreen on top of it. It's stable enough that it's not going to be upset by that. So you'll want to use a few pumps of this. I would take it all the way from the hairline, all the way down to the breastbone, pat it in, let it settle, and over time it really will help strengthen that skin barrier.